I play on Nostaria's Mystic Crits. Welcome to the channel. Don't you come close, no. I think we can just run like straight in here and then out this way. Frost Nova around here, blink away, and be good. Everything's up and running. Let's grab this one first. Want to make sure he gets in the mix. There we go. And this guy. Alright. That was dangerous. And we got the blink. There we go. 110 health though. I might prog a health potion when they get closer. Yeah, I'm gonna prog it.
I can't drink anymore yet.
Come on. Did they just heal each other or something? Oh, we got them now. We've got them now. They are on the run. Let's just blast another blizzard in there. They might get hit. Oh, this guy escaped, huh? Damn, how was that? That was 1, 2, 3, 5. That was 8 kill. Octa kill. Yeah, that got really close. If I hadn't had that potion, they would have gotten me. Unless I would have ran away or something instead. Pretty nice that it worked out though. Pretty nice. I thought we lost that one. Insane. Yeah, I was kind of surprised it worked, but it did. Awesome! I'm totally liking this this AoE thing. Really liking it.